Just to let you know, this is not an emergency alert system, and no, I'm not in Wisconsin. Anyways, this is the Wisconsin Amber Alert. The Wisconsin Police Department is searching for a 10-year-old child named JOCELYN T. Van DUYN. The child's name, first, middle, last name is JOCELYN T. Van DUYN. Age 10, sex female, race white, height 5 feet 3 inches, weight 140 pounds, hair color brown, eye color hazel. The child was last seen wearing a white t-shirt with Eiffel Tower image, black pants, and dark shoes. He may have been talking. He was taken by the suspect by his father, named Jonathan J. Van DUYN. Age 33, sex male, waist white, height 6 feet 0 inches tall, weighing 222 pounds, hair color brown, eye color blue. Additional information: very short hair. They may be traveling in a 2014 white Dodge Ram truck with Illinois tag number 167007F. They might be pulling a camper trailer. The direction of travel is unknown. If you have any information, please contact the Wisconsin Police Department. In case you're wondering, I do not know the phone number for it, but anyone who's in Wisconsin or has called Wisconsin Police Department before in the past for other information, please contact Wisconsin Police Department for if you have any information or you see or any information or tips related to this Amber Alert. If you see the child, the suspect, or the vehicle, please do not approach because of the suspect being armed and dangerous. If you see the suspect child and or the vehicle, remember to call 911 immediately. Thank you for this message of the Amber Alert system for Wisconsin.